Hello, my name is Richard Dunks with the Community Data Empowerment Project. And I'd like to run through our example of calculating police arrests by month as an example of formulas. So to calculate arrest month, the first thing we're going to do is select the column, right click, and insert a blank column. And we want to give the column a name. That's necessary for the pivot table. We're going to call it arrest month. Now, with our formula, we're going to start with an equal sign. And then in this case, because we're using a function, we're going to specify the function. month. I get the highlight indicator there of the function. Open parentheses. So each function has parentheses with it. So whatever's in the parentheses tells the spreadsheet rather what we want to apply that function to. So in this case, we want to do it off of the values in column D. So we select that column, Shift 0, close parentheses. So we're extracting the month from the date timestamp in D2. That's putting it in English. And we hit return. Now the issue here, we have it come out as 0:00. The issue is this column, arrest month, took the default formatting from the column before it, so the arrest time. So it's looking at the value as a time, which actually isn't helpful for what we want to do. So we have to reformat this column. So we select the column. We go over here to Format, Number, and we select Number. Notice how it's already checked on Automatic. And the Automatic isn't really helping us. Google's smart, not that smart. So we go to Number here. So it's going to give us a default number. So what we were looking for was January, or month 1. In this case, it's adding 2 decimal places after the 1, which isn't helpful for what we want to do. So what we can do instead is remove those decimal places. And we can go up here on the menu bar, decrease decimal places, click it a few times, and now we get the 1 without any decimal places in it. We take that now and we copy it down. So I'm going to Control or Command C. We can now take this and copy it down. So I'm going to hit Command C and copy. I'm going to go down below it and hit Command or Control V, depending on which platform you're on. Notice the formula is updated. So when I click into the cell, it's pulling from D3. So it updated the cell reference from D2 to D3. Now, my apologies if you wanted to do this 6,500 times, but there's a very simple way to copy a formula down. In this case, same as Excel, as Google Sheets, in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a little knob there. You'll see when the mouse goes to a crosshair. If you double left-click, I'm a right-handed person, so that's my index finger. If you are left-handed, it'd also be your index finger, just the opposite button, but double left-click, and it'll copy and paste the formula down. So notice here that if I check this, it's going to D4 and on down the line. And if I hit Control or Command down arrow, I have a formula in every single row. So that is how I get arrest month in each of the rows of my data. To review what we did, to create a chart like this, we used a formula which tells our application to do some operation on a cell based on the values in another cell, in this case the arrest date and arrest time. Help create values we need for analysis, in this case our arrest month. There's the formula there, equals month D2. We inserted a column left, gave it a name arrest month, wrote the formula. We then had to reformat it into a number, copy the formula down to each row, and we can remove the decimal places using the line on the menu bar. We end up with an arrest month here that is a number, a 5, a 4, whatever, without decimal places. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to connect with us, you can check out our website, datafordallas.org, email us at info@datafordallas, or find us on Facebook or Instagram.